Hey friends, welcome to this YouTube channel. And in last video we are starting Adobe Photoshop CC 2022 latest version course. And in this video we are going to learn how you can clone your items in your picture using Adobe Photoshop. Let's start this video. Before start this video, make sure you subscribe this YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest and amazing updates. Let's start the video. First of all, open your Photoshop. And now click on create new and click on create. I have some sample files which I downloaded from the free copyright free website. First of all, I'm using this image. Now you can see some fruits are here. Before doing this, you have to setting, click on edit and go to preferences and click on general. You can also press Ctrl K. Go to tools and you can see here zoom with scroll wheel. Turn on this option and click on OK. Now you can zoom your image using your scroll wheel. Now here you can see this tool. The shortcut command of this tool is S, clone stamp tool. Right click on this and now right click on this and choose your size from here. And now you have to hold the Alt key and choose your item. Click here and now you can easily clone this thing like this. You can see here. Now let's see another example of it. I have some pictures here. Now you can see here this apple, and if you want to duplicate this, now press Alt key and duplicate it here like this. Like this. You can easily duplicate things using this tool. Like this. I hope you understand what use of this tool and how you can use this tool in your daily life. And if you like this video, and make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting and Photoshop videos. We will meet in the next video. Goodbye.